In this video, we will talk about how to fix mouse not working Windows 11. Method 1. Reset device manager drivers. Press and hold Windows icon key and press R on your keyboard. Type device manager command and press enter. Press tab key, then down arrow key to select mice and other pointing devices. Now press right arrow key and use down arrow key to select HID compliant mouse and press enter. In my case, I have a different driver, but on your system, you'll likely see the HID compliant mouse driver. Now use tab key until general is selected, then right arrow key to select driver. Use tab key again and select uninstall device and press enter. Press space key to check this box, then tab key to select uninstall and press enter. Use tab key to close this window. Now press alt key on your keyboard, then right arrow key to select action. Press enter and use down arrow key to select scan for hardware changes. Again, press enter to run it. Method 2. Disable USB power saving. Press and hold Windows icon key, then press R on your keyboard. Type device manager command and press enter. Use tab key once, then down arrow key. Select universal serial bus controllers. Use right arrow key to expand it, then down arrow key to select USB root hub and press enter. Use tab key and select general, then right arrow key for power management tab. Use tab key again and press space key. To uncheck, allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Press tab key to select OK and press enter. Repeat the same process for other hubs, Bluetooth, and wireless adapters. After this, you need to reboot your PC to apply the changes. For that, press and hold Windows icon key, then R on your keyboard. Type shutdown/R/T0 and press enter. This will restart your computer. So that's how you can fix mouse not working Windows 11. If these methods didn't resolve your issue, check out other solutions linked in the I button above. See you in the next video.